Okay, so I'm having trouble turning my head to the left. So I'll go right first. So you can see I've got full range of motion on that right side, but when I come to the left, I'm trying to go, but it's like I'm hitting a wall. I don't have any pain or anything, but I just cannot move any further.
Yeah, so you get some mechanical block. I mean, you feel more lower here. I mean, it's upper cervical as well, but
yeah,
you get some stuff in like the CT junction as well. So these are instances where, you know, an adjustment actually works perfect. You know, get in there, you put motion through those joints that aren't moving, and then we'll retest after we adjust them here, and we'll see how much motion, how much improvement we got. So let's see, lay face up here.
Yep.
All right, so kind of feeling for motion, really locked up kind of upper cervical where you get some rotation on there. Get a little lower in this area on this guy. Traction, and then usually after you hit some upper cervical to kind of hit the full motion with the neck and the thoracic spine, we go upper back in like the CT junction it's called. So, a little breath in here for me. Let her out. Again here one more time. Breath in, let her out.
Nice.
All right, so we're gonna switch you up. Yep. We'll retest to see what kind of motion.
So you go to the right, and then
Go to the left.
It's unreal.
And yeah, this is a common problem for Jake. So he has some sort of something that sits in the joint that just kind of either moves around or he moves too far, and then when he comes back, he'll be good for about 2 to 3 days. And it doesn't matter what kind of I guess what he does preventative wise, but it's just something that every 2 to 3 days he'll come back. Sometimes it's worse, sometimes it's better. But just want to show you kind of the benefits of what an adjustment can do on a blocky joint like that. So.
Boom.